I'm in a Bentley Continental GT. Next to me is a Jaguar I-Pace, and we're going to have a battle of Britain. So a British car versus a British car. Sorry, I should say a British/Indian car versus a British/German car. Very different setup as well, because this obviously is a 6-litre W12 petrol engine with 635 horsepower and 900 newton meters of torque. It's got all-wheel drive, of course, as has the Jaguar, but it gets its all-wheel drive from 2 electric motors. It has a combined 400 horsepower and 700 newton meters of torque, so a bit different there. What's not so different, though, is the fact that they both weigh pretty much 2.2 tons. So we're going to see what happens, because that thing will get off the line quickly, because an electric motor gives instant power. This, well, I'm going to have to put it in launch mode, so I do that by putting it into sport. I then put the stability control into sport, the gearbox into automatic sport. Let's have a race. Actually, before we race, make sure you subscribe to this channel, okay? And if you're already subscribed, please ensure you've got your notifications turned on, because if they're not turned on, you will not be alerted when we make a new upload. So check that. All you have to do is hit the bell icon. Right, let's get on with it. Got away first. Then this struggled for traction a little bit. This is too easy. Easy win. And thankfully, very good brakes. Bye I-Pace. It got destroyed. So much for instant torque. This thing just went boom.
So then what were the scores on the doors? Well, the Bentley Continental GT did the standing quarter mile in just 11.7 seconds. The I-Pace, however, took 12.8 seconds.
Okay, now we're going to have a rolling race from around 50 miles an hour. I put the car into just normal driving mode, and then I'm going to count them in, and then we're just going to accelerate, see what happens. Maybe this time that will stand a better chance, because its instant power delivery should help it out. Right then, are you ready? So here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, gearbox had to think about it. But now I'm catching him, and now I've caught him, and here's a big bend. So that's that done. Actually, this thing goes around the corners very well. I could have flown into there a lot quicker. Impressive. Now then, one final challenge, a braking test. Right, they both weigh the same, and I'm thinking that this has got better brakes than that, but we shall see. Here we go then. Right, we're at 70 miles an hour. 3, 2, 1, brake! Oh, yes! I was right, definitely better brakes. Similar weight, but better brakes. And that's your result. Bye-bye, Jag. Electric cars are the future, apparently. Yeah, they actually are, but not just yet.
If you enjoyed this video, please like it, comment on it and share it. Also click on our logo to subscribe to this channel. And if you click on the bottom right hand corner, you can actually watch more of our content. Meanwhile, click over to the right to go to our deals page to see how much money you can save on a new car at CarWow.